Good morning, Year 11. Today I just want to talk to you about online safety. So I've got here 8 tips to stay safe online. Now you should know most of them, okay? But I just want to reiterate it for you all. Okay, so number 1, be nice to people online. Nice and easily. We're all nice people and it's dead easy for us to be nice. Next one, take care of what you share. So here we've got an example of you share one thing and then your friend shares it with a couple of other people and then all of a sudden it's the whole way across the internet, okay? So just be careful with anything you share online. Keep your personal information private, okay, and check your privacy settings. I want you all to make sure that you never share any live lesson links from school with anybody else outside of school. I want you to know how to make sure you know how to report posts and keep your password safe, okay, in reference to school, particularly Google Classroom, okay. Outside of school, never meet anyone in person you've only met online. And if you see anything online that you don't like or you find upsetting, tell someone you trust, okay? And that can be a friend, a parent, or a teacher. I say it's just a wee recap and everything you should know. I was just wanting to reiterate it. The second thing that I'd like to look at today is the Southeastern Text to Nurse program, okay? So here's a mobile phone number. If you have any questions or any health-related issues that you want to ask anybody about that you'd maybe ask the nurse in school, you can just phone this number, okay? So it's 07507 327 263. Alright guys, short and sweet today. Have a lovely day and have a great weekend. See you now.